1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. Start the basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Cross body. 1, 2, 3. Follow. 5, 6, 7. I'm going to go right to right and left hand at the bottom. Give her a right turn. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to continue the right turn and do a touch and go 5. I'm going to switch, grab the other hand 6. Now I'm going to make her go forward on 7. So now on 1, I'm going to make her go forward again. 1. Now we're going to turn to the right. Left hand meets the right hand. 2. Palms go up, so she turns on 3. And we're going to back charge 5, 6, 7. Very important that the guy's hands are not touching. So now we're going to give her a Copa. So the left hand is going to go to her shoulder, and the right hand is going to go over the head on 1. We're going to go 1. Guys are going to hook on 2, 2. So we're going to go back to back on 3. It's going to go over her head on 5. So now we're going to pull through on 6 and stop her on 7 into a prep. So right away on 1, I'm going to start turning her to the right. 1. I'm going to grab her on the shoulder, step back to the misdirection. 2. I'm going to make sure she steps back on 3 as the right hand starts coming up. So now I'm going to pull through with the right hand to give her a broken left. 5, 6, 7. Cross body. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
5, 6, 7. Start with the basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Cross body lead. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Right turn. 1, 2, 3, 5. Here we're going to keep turning to the right on 6. Go forward on 7. Now we go forward one more time on 1. We turn to the right once again on 2, 3. We turn to the right. 5, 6, 7. Now we're going to do a Copa. 1, 2, 3. We're going to go back to back. Keep turning to the left. 5, 6, 7. Into a prayer. Now we're going to walk this turn. We're just going to turn to the right on 1, 2. Across in front. Back on 3. Broken left. 5, 6, 7. Cross body lead. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
Hi guys, it's Angie from Casa Salsa. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check out our other free videos with tips and tricks for the dance floor. Make sure you subscribe to the link below so you don't miss any of our new upcoming content. And if you look in the description, you'll find a link to our website to get access to exclusive content. And if you want to take a live class with us, you can do so as well. Link on the description. See you next time.